In 1958, Dr. Marcy Dittmanson relinquished his prosperous life in America to become a missionary in Taiwan. Through hard work and God's love, he brought Western medicine to Formosa and established the Chiayi Christian Hospital. From then on, this American hospital became a place where Dr. Dittmanson diligently demonstrated God's sacrifice for the people and the love of Christ through the practice of medicine. A loving seed. For over 50 years, Chiayi Christian Hospital has followed in Dr. Dittmanson's footsteps and remains fully committed to caring for people's needs in the Chiayi area. We emphasize improving the quality of care, efficiency, and service orientation in an effort to treat each precious life. Chiayi Christian Hospital, sharing God's love, committed to excellence. Holistic Community Healthcare. CYCH has followed in Dr. Marcy Dittmanson's footsteps and is fully committed to caring for people's needs in the Chiayi area. Promotion and cooperation. Through implementation of preventative medicine, CYCH aims to bring health information into the community and emphasize the importance of preventative medicine. We hold regular community health checkups, diabetes care management, kidney health care, and pap smear programs. These efforts also received honors from the government. In 2007, we were honored by the National Health Insurance Bureau as the Cervical Cancer Prevention Healthcare Hospital. In 2008, the Diabetes Care was evaluated as Best Quality Medical Team. In that same year, the CYCH volunteer team received the Kind Heart Award from the Department of Health. Community Medical Service Groups. In 2003, CYCH established community medical service groups, using its own clinical doctors. This teamwork between local clinics, hospitals, and the Department of Public Health provided residents in our own community access to a complete medical care environment. The 3 CYCH community medical groups have since been awarded by the government an accolade in recognition of quality community medicine. Social Senior Care Service. Consistent medical care. In 1994, CYCH supported discharge preparation services to evaluate the needs of patients who lost the ability to care for themselves. These workers provide a proper care plan comprised of home health care service, home-based rehabilitation, safety equipment rental, long-term care organization referral, and recommendations for service. We also serve patients with a subacute care center for transitional treatment between acute and chronic care. Senior Care. In 1999, CYCH established Senior Service Centers. For seniors 65 and over, we offer lunch delivery and home health care services. In 2007, we began operating the Evergreen Garden to provide for the welfare of local senior citizens. Services for the disabled. In 2000, CYCH established an Early Intervention and Evaluation Center for developmentally delayed children. In 2002, we opened the first Child Autism Daycare Center in Chiayi for children under age 6. In 2003, the city government entrusted CYCH with management of the Renewal Garden. At the Renewal Garden, physically and psychologically disabled persons can learn skills in a training factory and gain employable skills in Love Shop Street. CYCH received the Award of Excellence for the Renewal Garden. Mountain Mobile Clinic. Our services also extend to the remote area of Ollie Mountain. We are actively promoting safe community programs assisting the Tso tribe development of non-smoking and alcohol abuse prevention groups. For 3 consecutive years, CYCH received the award for Tribal Health Promotion. Overseas missions. Beginning in 1992, CYCH sent medical missionaries to share God's love in Laos, Burma, Vietnam, areas affected by tsunamis, and mainland China. In 2005, the National Department of Health and Ministry of Foreign Affairs entrusted CYCH to establish a sister hospital relationship with Sorsogon Province Hospital in the Philippines, and in 2007 expanded to the Manila Rizal Medical Center. We have since held a number of medical exchanges through these sister hospital relationships. Foreign spouse care. As we saw an increasing number of foreign spouses coming to Taiwan, Jai Christian worked with the Jai government to care for the needs of the new immigrants. This mission center extends them a warm family-like welcome, shares the gospel, prays with them, and helps them to adjust to this new life in cross-cultural marriage. Since 1958, Jai Christian has concentrated on medical service, sharing the gospel, and offering our best in treating individuals, community, and our society. In 2006, Jai Christian received the National Civic Service Award for a nonprofit group in recognition for moral character and public contribution. Staff care. In addition to medical care for patients, CYCH is also concerned about employee care because we recognize that our staff is our most precious asset. Teamwork approach. CYCH affirms each staff member's value, and through our staff training camp, we transfer our management vision and cultivate teamwork. Following the expansion of our hospital, CYCH also held physician training camp and nurse supervisors and medical technology training camps to build team vision and communication skills. Physical, mental, and spiritual care. To motivate employee enthusiasm and achievement, CYCH organizes a series of activities: Joyful Life Camp, and Marriage Enrichment Camp to promote interaction between staff and their families. Furthermore, the Spiritual Growth Course helps staff pursue holistic practices. Through various fellowship groups, we target the varied needs of our staff. We also encourage staff to attend health promotion programs to keep themselves in good physical condition. In 2008, the WHO recognized CYCH as a health promotion hospital. Jai Christian Community Construction. In addition to medical care, Jai Christian is also concerned about mental and spiritual health and evangelistic ministry. The Pastoral Care Department was established when the hospital first began. It has become the spirit throughout the generations at Jai Christian. PCD follows Jesus to love and establish friendships for the gospel, and learning sympathy from Jesus to care for patients and their families. Community mission. Jai Christian continues to care for the spiritual well-being of area residents. The Pastoral Care Department works with local churches and Christian organizations to care for people who live around the hospital. PCD staff visits nursing homes to care for residents and share the gospel so that elderly and weak people can also benefit from evangelistic outreach. Church development. Evangelism through medicine has been our clear mission from the founding of Jai Christian. We continue to look for good sites to plant churches, to share the gospel, and feed those who hunger and thirst for righteousness. In 1966, Jai Christian established Glory Church, then began Jianan Church and Mission Outpost at Shiku. In 1996, we planted Double Blessing Church in Mingsheng. In 2000, we began the Longtong Church on Dayao Road. In 2002, Logos Church was planted in the west part of Chiayi City. These churches function to share the gospel in our community and help many people find the meaning of life through faith in Jesus. Staff model the love of God. The spirit of love one another has passed down from the founder, Dr. Marcy Dittmanson. In 1996, Dr. Dittmanson was the first staff to receive the prize of medical care and devotion, which is a great honor to medical service. In 2006, Dr. David Wong was awarded the 16th prize of medical care and devotion. And Dr. Bo-Xing Chen received the 17th prize of medical care and devotion for contributing his gift in caring for immature babies. A new era for CYCH. Extending and growing. Functional purpose. 1. More spacious public areas in the hospital. 2. Expanding clinical space and improving medical routes. 3. Postpartum Convalescence Nursing Center and Long-Term Care Center. 4. More space for medical research and conference areas. 5. Abundant parking lots for visitors. The purpose of construction is not only to extend our range of services, but also to extend the loving arms of Jesus to everyone who comes here. God's love was handed down from Dr. Dittmanson to every staff member, and will continue to light the ways as CYCH continues to develop. We aim to build a holistic care system and seek to go the extra mile with our patients and others who need our help. Chiayi Christian Hospital, sharing God's love, committed to excellence.